Hey everyone, great to see you. Todd Snovel, love meeting so many of you at New Student Advising Day. And in this module, we're going to be learning about leadership and engagement. So right now, you're standing with me in the Munn College Center, and I want to make sure you have an opportunity to know exactly where the Center for Student Engagement is housed, so follow me. Here we come through the concourse. Note the dining hall here on my left. We're going to turn down the hallway. And right here at these two wooden double doors, you will notice the Center for Student Engagement. Here we have listed all of the support services that you'll find within here. And now come visit me in my office and we'll talk a little bit about what you'll find. So here we are in my office in the Center for Student Engagement, and we're going to have a little conversation today on leadership. Leadership is one of those things, it's one of my areas of passion. It's something I love engaging our students in, and for a lot of students, they have not thought about leadership. What does it mean to be a leader? Are there certain skills that leaders possess, or can leadership look different ways for different people? And here at Lebanon Valley College, students can have so many ways of looking at leadership, taking on leadership opportunities, and seeing the kind of personal growth and transformation that will come from them. So big picture, why are things like leadership development important for students in an undergraduate experience? I talk to folks a lot that first and foremost, academics need to be the first thing on the horizon of importance. So when a student is here at LVC, that student wants to make sure that first and foremost, the academics are the first thing, the first priority that the student is focused on. However, after 4 years, when that student is ready to graduate with that degree, that person is going to be lined up across the country and across the world with lots of other students that are graduating from prestigious universities and colleges with that same degree. And so what are other opportunities that a student can take to step a few more inches ahead of the pack? And one of those ways is to be involved and to articulate a commitment to leadership development. And so here at LVC, we have so many opportunities for students, like I said, to get into the weeds, to become a leader, to practice that leadership, and then to reflect on what that experience was like. So one key leadership group that I have the pleasure of working with here on campus is our chapter of student government. So maybe some of you have had the opportunity to be members of your student senates or student councils in your high school experience. And so you're going to see a very similar model here at LVC. At Lebanon Valley College, our student government is one of the few elected leadership positions. So literally elected by the peers. When you're here in late August, early September, you're going to see information on when student government elections will happen very early in the semester. I encourage you absolutely to visit the student government table at the activities fair, which you've heard about, and engage with some of the current student government members of what the position entails, what are the benefits of serving on student government, what are the responsibilities that come along with that. To give you an idea, each class, including yours, the class of 2020, will elect 4 officers, 4 representatives, and then 1 additional commuting representative. 4 officers, president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer of your class. 4 additional representatives that help bring voice to the class within student government. Then, as I said as well, 1 additional representative from our commuting population. So 9 individuals from the class of 2020 will be needed to step up as leaders for your class on student government. Student government meets weekly at 9:40 on a Monday evening. We do that for a purpose. We would never want someone elected to student government who would then be penalized for missing meetings because of night classes. And so since those end by 9:30, we have the meetings on Monday at 9:40 so that that is not a commitment that people have at the same time. I have the pleasure of being one of the co-advisors to student government. My colleague Jen Evans, who is the director of student activities, is the other advisor. And then within the body of all of the classes of officers and representatives, student government will elect officers. And so student government will be led next year by President Laura Schmidt, who is very excited to meet all of you and who you'll get to hear from at opening convocation. Another opportunity that is one of my favorites to work with here at LVC is something that you can build up to from sophomore through senior year here at LVC, and that's our own chapter of Sigma Alpha Pi, which is the National Society for Leadership and Success. So our students who have a minimum 3.2 grade point average cumulative and have at least one leadership opportunity or engagement outside of the classroom, a sports team, a club, any of the co-curricular involvements, all of those students then have the ability to sign up and register to go through the steps for induction into the National Society. And each year I get to work with the students as the on-site advisor to that program, taking students through about 5 different steps that have them looking and reflecting on their own leadership. And at the end of that, in the spring semester, inducting them fully into a National Honor Society that they will be a lifetime member of. Another opportunity that we have here is the Leadership Institute. And guess what? You as first-year students have every ability, just like all of our other students, to participate. And the Leadership Institute is going to bring real-life leaders, not people just from here at LVC, but guests from all over the county, Pennsylvania, even other parts of sometimes the country or the world, who will come and speak to us on what leadership means practically to them, and we get a chance to hear from the experts. One more incredibly impactful opportunity that our students have is what we call our Social Justice Institute. And this is planned by my friends and colleagues in the Intercultural Affairs Office. And typically between the semesters, over the winter break period, they will allow a program to happen that students can self-select and apply for, called the Social Justice Institute. That program is going to take students usually to another urban city. Sometimes it's been New York, sometimes it's been Washington, D.C. I had the privilege of also attending the program with students in Atlanta a few years ago. And students who do this program are going to give up a few of the last days of their break to go into this city and really understand what social justice and equality work looks like. Going to human interest agencies, support networks, understanding how certain systems within these cities are combating oppression, and how inclusive excellence is really thriving. You've probably heard from me and so many others on campus the value and the importance of inclusive excellence here on LVC's campus, and this program allows you to see firsthand the power behind what inclusive practice will do. So it's a do not miss event. Well, everyone, this has been fantastic. I'm off to my next meeting, but I really appreciate you taking some time to learn about leadership, and I hope you're excited about opportunities that you'll have here on campus. I can't wait to see you in August. Know that all of us in Student Affairs are committed to your well-being, and we can't wait to work with you. I'm off. See ya!